How are you all? I hope that you all are good. And as we know, the series of basic mathematics used in physics is going on. And successfully we are finished the 6 lectures. And this is a last lecture of our series Basic Mathematics Used in Physics 06 by Rakesh sir Physics. And this is a small lecture and a well-known lecture. Okay, so in this lecture, I'm going to discuss about areas and perimeters as well as what is that volume of the given sphere, cylinder or cone, circle, circumference, perimeter, and all these things that we are going to discuss in this session. And the lecture is easy. We don't left even a small thing that which we are used for our physics subject. Is that clear? Right. So my name is Rakesh Kanaganti. Welcome to our beautiful physics channel, Rakesh Sir Physics. And today, the last lecture, what is that? Basic. Are you happy? Right. I'm also very happy. Okay. So basic mathematics used in physics, class number 06. All right. What are the topic today? The surface areas and the volumes and the perimeters of the given shapes. Right. Right. The first shape I'm going to take a circle. The circle is like this. Okay. The circle is like this. Okay. Right. So the area of the circle, let us say R. R be the radius of the circle. And as we know, what is that? The area of the circle, area of circle is equals to how much? What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circle, and circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi r. Right. Second one, I'm taking a semicircle. This is semicircle. So half of the circle is called what? Semicircle, and radius of the semicircle is, let us say, r. R be the radius of the semicircle. So its area, surface area of the semicircle, how much? Pi r square by 2. Half of the circle. Half of the circle is what? Semicircle. And the area of the complete circle is pi r square, and the area of the semicircle is half of this, pi r square by 2. So its perimeter is equals to pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Is it clear? So from the center it is at a distance r, and this is also how much? Distance r plus r 2r, and the perimeter of this half part of the circle is how much? Pi r. Is it clear? Right. So the third one. So what is this? Circle. This is what? Semi circle, and this is a quadrant. I'm taking quadrant. Quadrant means 1 by 4th of the circle. Quadrant means what? 1 by 4th of the circle. And also the radius of the circle is what? R. Okay? Right. Its area is equals to pi r square by 4. 1/4 of the circle is what? Quadrant. That's why I'm taking area is 1 by 4th of the circle. And perimeter. And its perimeter is given by pi by 2r plus 2r. Pi by 2r plus 2r. Is it clear? Right. So the fourth one, I'm taking circular arc. I'm taking circular arc. Okay. So this is an important one. Okay. So let us consider a circle of a small part that is called a circular arc, and let us consider the length of the circular arc, let us say L, and the radius of the circle, let us say r, and the angle made by this circular arc, let us say theta. Theta be the angle made by the circular arc. Okay, so from this we can write an important formula. Remember, you should remember this, that is, an angle theta is equals to arc upon radius. Angle theta is equals to what? Arc upon radius. Okay, so which is equals to, angle theta is equals to arc. Arc means this one. What is the value of circular arc? L by radius. What is the radius? R. Theta is equals to what? L by r. And angle theta is equals to arc upon radius. Is it clear? Right. Fifth one. The fifth one I am going to take a, what is that? Right. Square. Square. Okay. So let us consider a square. The side of the square is, let us say, A. Capital A be the side of the what? Square. Okay. So now its area. Area is equals to A square. A into A. That is what? A square. Side 1 into side 2. And it's a perimeter. And its perimeter is equals to A plus A plus A plus A. That is equals to 4A. 4A be the perimeter of the square. Right. So the next one is what? Rectangle. What is rectangle? In rectangle, the two sides are equal. Okay. Two opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Let us say this side is A and this side is B. If this is A, then opposite side is also A. If this is B, then opposite side also B. Okay. So area. Area of the rectangle is equals to what? A into B. Okay. Or we can write a length into width. Okay. So its perimeter. Its perimeter is equals to A plus B plus B. That is equals to 2A plus 2B. This is the perimeter of, or you can take a 2 common, we'll get a 2 into A plus B. So this is what? The perimeter of the rectangle. So the next one is what? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Alright. So the parallelogram is like this. Okay. So its length is A or whatever it is. Let's take its width is B and its length is A. So the difference between rectangle and parallelogram is the angle between the two sides of rectangle or square is 90 degrees. These two sides are perpendicular to each other. If you come to parallelogram, there exists some angle other than 90 degrees. Okay, right. Its area is equals to A into B, same length into breadth, and it's a perimeter. If it is A, then this is also A. If it is B, then this is also B. Then perimeter is equals to what? A plus A, 2A plus B plus B, 2B. If you take 2 common, we will get A plus B. This is what? Perimeter of the parallelogram. And taking a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Okay? Trapezoid. So trapezoid means what? Trapezoid consisting of an height h and its two opposite sides are different. This is height of the trapezoid, let us say h. Okay, and this is what? A. One of the side in a trapezoid, let us consider A, and another side is B. Okay, So right, the area of trapezoid, the area of trapezoid is given by half into a plus b into h, half into a plus b into h. This is the area of trapezoid. What is that? Half into a plus b. Sum of these two parallel sides. What are the parallel sides here? A and b. Sum of the parallel sides into height h. Is it clear? Write down, pause the video and write all these things. We don't leave even single mathematical formula that which can be used for us in our physics. Is it clear? Right. Pause the video and write the notes or take the screenshot. 3, 2, 1, go. And the ninth one, that is a ellipse. Ellipse. So ellipse is like this. Okay. So this is the shape of ellipse. Okay. So let us consider this is A and this is B. A and B. Okay. So the area of ellipse is equals to pi into AB. Area of ellipse is equals to how much? Pi into AB. So where A tends to semi major axis and B tends to semi minor axis. Semi major axis and a semi minor axis. So tenth one is a disc. Tenth one is what? Disc, circular disc. Okay. So let us consider this is a circular disc of radius r. This is what? Circular disc of radius r. Okay. And let us consider this is a height of the circular disc. What is this? Height of the circular disc. Take a look. So this is in the shape of circular disc. See, this is like a circle, and this side is treated as height h of the circular disc. Have a look. This is height. So whatever you are seeing on the screen, that is height of the disc. This is what? Circle part. Okay, this is a plain circle part of disc. Is it clear? All right. Area. Area of the circular disc is a pi r square. Area is how much? Pi r square, because of on the surface of the disc it is look like a circle, and its volume volume is equals to area into height. Area into height. What is area? Pi r square into height is h. Height of the circular disc is how much? H. Pi r square h. Next, 11th one. Solid sphere. Solid sphere. What is solid sphere? You know about this that shot put ball. Okay, the shot put ball. We can throw the shot put ball like that. Okay, so that ball is the shape. That ball is in the shape of a solid sphere. That shape is called a solid sphere. Okay, so let us consider a solid sphere of radius r. Solid sphere of radius r. It is completely filled with a mass m. Okay. Okay, Chichi. The diagram is very bad, sir. Remove it and again draw it. Okay, sir. Right. Let us consider this is what? A solid sphere of radius r. And its area is equals to 4 pi r square. Area of the solid sphere is how much? 4 pi r square. And its volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is it clear? Right. Next, 12th one. Cone. What is that? Cone. Okay. Or cone ice cream. Okay. Ice cream is also in the shape of cone. That is called what? Cone ice cream. Not cone ice cream. It's a shape. It is in the shape of cone. Okay, right. So it is a circular part of the cone of radius, let us say smaller, and one side of the cone, let us say L, length of the one side of the cone, let us say L, and the height of the cone is a H. Height of the cone is how much? H. Okay, right. Area. Area of the cone is equals to pi r square plus pi rl. Pi r square plus pi rl. So one circular part is there. For that area pi r square, and remaining part the area is pi rl. Okay. So where L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. L is equals to what? Under root of h square plus r square. Have a look. This is a right angle triangle. Are you getting? One small part, height h, radius r, and one side is what? L. So from this right angle triangle, this is what? L becomes hypotenuse. Okay, are you getting? So hypotenuse square is equals to h square plus r square. If square come to this side, it becomes root over h square plus r square. Are you clear? Right. So volume. So the volume of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h, where h is nothing but height of the cone. Okay, so 10th one, cylinder. 10th one is what? Cylinder, solid cylinder. We know the shape of the cylinder. Okay, so this is what? Shape of cylinder, and its radius is, let us say, r, and the height of the cylinder is how much? H. H be the height of the cylinder, and where h is the height of the cone. So area. So area of the cone is given by 2 pi RL. 2 pi RL is the area of cone. Okay. So and volume. So volume of the cone is pi r square h. Pi r square h be the volume of the cylinder. Okay. 2 pi RL and pi r square h. The next shape is 11th one and 10, 11, 12. Sorry, this is 13th one and this is 14th one. Okay. The next shape is what? Cube. Okay, so sides the same. Cube of side A. Cube of side A. So I'm taking a cube. Okay, and each side is what? A, and this is also A, and its height is also A. Are you getting? So we know about a Rubik's cube. Okay, so this is what? Cube. It's a width, its width, height, and its corner. All sides are, see, all are A. This side is also A. Okay, height, width, length, all are A. So this, then the surface area is equals to 6 into A square. Surface area is equals to what? 6A square, and its volume is equals to A cube, and its volume is equals to what? A cube. Okay, so next 15th one, I'm taking a triangle. Okay, this is what? Triangle. In this triangle, the two sides are same. Let us say A, and this is also A, and B be the base of the triangle. And let us consider height of the triangle is H. H be the height of the triangle. Okay, now its area. Now its area is equals to what? We know that half into base into height. Half into base into height. That is equals to half into base is B and height is H. Half into B into H. Is it clear? Right. So pause the video and write the notes or take the screenshot. Your wish, your convenient. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, right. So this is the end of the today's session, and we are successfully finished the basic mathematics used in physics series, and we have 6 lectures, 5 big lectures, and this is one of the small lecture. Don't skip any lecture in this series. So each and every lecture is important, and each and every mathematical formulas that we are discussed in these sessions are also useful to our physics. I hope that you are enjoyed this series, and we will meet in a next lecture, that is class 11th physics, second chapter, units and measurements. So we will meet in the next lecture, and this is Rakesh Kanaganti signing off. Jai Hind.